Hello guys, my name is JP Dan. Today I will show you how to create your very own website without coding, and we are going to use a website builder for that job. Here we are going to use Wix. Okay, here open your browser. I'm going to use my lovely browser Edge. Now as you can see here, type wix.com. Now I already log in. If you do not have the account, then you can go ahead and create an account right now. Like I said, I already have an account, but for this tutorial I will create another Wix account just for this tutorial. Now you can click get started or click sign in. Now to be easier, just click get started. Now once you click get started, it will direct you to a sign up page. You can create your own account by typing your email right here. If you have a social media account, then you can choose here either with Facebook or Google. For this tutorial, we are going to use a Google account. In this sign up page, I'm going to use my alternative account, jbdan@gmail.com. Now it will take a while. Now it will direct you to your Wix website. It will direct you into your dashboard right here. Your site, the dashboard. As you can see here, this is a new account and your new experience to the Wix environment. You have not created a website at all. Click create new site. Now because Wix already created two platforms, either you have to choose Wix or Editor X. The difference between the two is that Wix is fully designed for beginners while Editor X is designed for a much more advanced, or in this case intermediate, web designer. Since you don't know how to code yet, or in this case don't have any experience in website building, we are going to choose Wix on this. Now it will give you an option on what type of website you are going to use. For our website, we are going to use blog, since we are going to create a blogging site. Now you get to have two options. One is either create your website using Wix ADI. Wix ADI is an artificial intelligence based web builder. It will create the website for you, but it's not highly accurate. Keep in mind that. Or you can create your own website manually without the help of Wix ADI AI. For this tutorial, we are going to create our own website manually because we want an accurate result. Now as you can see here, it will bring you to this beautiful blog page where, beautiful template page where you can choose your template. Now all you have to do is pick one of these templates. We are going to choose this personal blog, since most of you are going to create a personal website anyways. And if you are a traveler, you can pick the travel blog. If you create food, cooking, do a cooking show, then you can choose this template. Food blog. If you are a coacher and you want to create a blog based on coaching, then you can pick this template. Basically, pick any template that suit your needs, as long as it's not ugly or just doesn't fit your needs. As you can see here, we are now on the editor. To start editing, right click some text, double click some text like so. To change your font, just click this right here, font, and choose one. Here we are. It doesn't look different, so we're going to pick a different kinds of font. There we go. Now it's different. To edit your pages, click here, the page button. You can edit your blog page. You can edit your about page. You can also edit your search result. In the blog page, you can set how it looks by clicking on the setting. Click on the display, or in this case layout. Click on the layout. I made a mistake right there. Here, as you can see here, the layout is titled. If you want a classic style blog, you can create side by side the classic way, like so. If you want a full post blog, then you can choose that, but I don't recommend you to choose full blog post, since it can be it can be a really messy. If you want a much more stylish blog, you can pick the magazine style blog. It will show you in the magazine style, like so. Basically, pick any of these layout, and if you want to change the design, you can click on the design part right here. You can change the color of your blog text, all post feed, description and color, change it to black. Blog menu, you can also change the blog menu color. Alert icon can be anywhere, anything you want it to be. And like so. Click on the main page. In the home, you can start decorating. Now to add an image, it's very easy. Let's just say that you want to add another new image to this part right here. As you can see here, to add a new image, you must first add a new strip. Click this button right here, add strip. You get tons of options, but for this tutorial we are going to add a classic strip, a blank strip to be specific. Now click the plus button, or in this case the add button. Now go to image, go to my image upload. Now it will load. As you can see here, once the image prompt done loading, upload media. Choose upload from computer, but if you want to upload from your social, then you can pick Instagram, Facebook, Dropbox, and many more. Now for this tutorial, for example, we are going to choose this image. Just wait until it wait until it's finished uploading. There we go. Add to page. Oops. Now if you made a mistake right here, now don't worry, there is a way to fix this. All you have to do is delete the image. You can do that by pressing your delete button, and so now as you can see here, my design tips right here is that for the desktop use, you must not, for the desktop usage, you can go way past this line right here, but for the mobile use, this image right here won't be visible. So I suggest you to optimize for mobile too. That's very important, but we'll get to that later. Now go to add again. To add a text, go to text, add heading right here, click edit text and start editing. To add a description, press the plus button again, the add button. Now go to the description, or in this case just text. Here go to the paragraph. Here now type your description. Drag it to your preferable spot. Like so. And there we go. Now, I said that I will teach you how to optimize your website for mobile usage too. Here, to switch to the mobile editor, press this switch to mobile right here. It will take some time, but don't worry. As you can see here, here it is, our mobile and the blog. Now, Wix automatically optimize your PC page, or in this case your desktop website, your desktop version of your website for mobile. And if you are just, let's just say that you are too lazy, you can always automatically optimize this for mobile. There is an option for that, but I don't recommend you because it's not always accurate. You rather want to do it yourself. As you can see here in the mobile, we want this to be as comfortable as possible for the mobile users to see. So we are going to center this out. So that's the image we are going to create. We are going to make the image smaller because we don't want a very big image that took time to scroll. We're going to make this strip a bit smaller right here, and there we go. This is an example on how to optimize your website on mobile. As you can see here, the rest itself is also automatically optimized, so you don't have to worry. Sometimes Wix cannot optimize by itself, so you really need to optimize it on your own. To extend your Wix website, go to go to add apps right here. 4 squares with the plus button. Now you can pick any app you want. Sorry about that. Now I want to add a search app, so I'm going to search for a searching app. Type search. As you can see here, we have 3 results: Wix site search, and site search. I'm going to pick this application right here, or in this case web application, because it's the most high rated application and I already tested on my website and it works. You are not restricted to just this application. You can try any different search application as long as it suits your needs. You will have no problem. Now you will be prompted this. Click add to site. As you can see here, the app window will automatically close and you will see your app right here. Now we are going to drag this like so to drag this on top of our website right here. Now this looks a bit ugly, so let's optimize this for a bit. Let's drag this right here. Like so. Put this search bar right here, and there we go. Again, we are going to optimize for mobile usage. And we're going to minimize this search because it is just too big. If you are planning on making a big header, I suggest you to just set the header scroll right here, change header scroll, put it on freeze. I mean scroll with side, because here if it freezes and it still stays with you while your user scroll on your mobile, it will become a major annoyance, since this header right here blocks like a 60% of your, or in this case 40% of your viewing vision. Now this is much more better since it scroll with the site and it's not really disturbing. Now to publish your website, press the publish button, but before that you must save your website first. Save it, edit the name to your suitable taste. My beautiful website for this tutorial right here. Click done. Click publish to publish your website. Now as you can see here, our website is already published. Click view site to view your website to see the result. Now as you can see here, this is the result, the website result. Here it is, the strip that we have made, and here it is, our search application. Now I'm going to just quickly test this application to demonstrate that it really works. We search block on this search, and voila, it gives you the search result you wanted. But yeah, it gives you a weird search result. But that's all for now. I hope you find this tutorial very useful. If you do, please give a like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Leave a comment too. Share this video on your social media. Share it with your friends if you find this video helpful. Now, that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.